This home care serum targets dullness, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, sun damage, and signs of aging. It's especially helpful for skin that looks tired or needs brightening, and it works best when used consistently as part of a night routine. This is the Matrigen Glutathione 100, a concentrated antioxidant serum designed for home use, not a professional treatment. It's ideal for people wanting visible skin improvement without needing in-clinic sessions. What it does is simple. It helps brighten skin, fade dark spots, and improve clarity. It's also calming and hydrates the skin at the same time. The texture is lightweight, absorbs quickly without leaving any heavy residue or tackiness. What makes it different is that it's not just another glutathione serum. It's formulated with a mix of ingredients that support skin repair and resilience. It works beneath the surface to reduce oxidative stress and improve how your skin looks over time, not just instantly. The 5 key ingredients in it are 1. Glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that brightens skin and targets pigmentation. 2. Niacinamide, for skin tone correction and strengthening the barrier. 3. Beta-Glucan, to soothe and reduce redness. 4. Allantoin, for gentle skin renewal. 5. Hyaluronic Acid, for deep hydration and plumpness. If used every night for 4 to 6 weeks, you can expect visible improvements in pigmentation, especially sunspots, melasma, and post-acne marks. Some people have noticed smoother texture and brighter skin within 2 weeks. In a case study with 10 participants, 70% saw reduced pigmentation within 28 days when using this nightly, along with a gentle cleanser and SPF during the day. Using it is simple. Cleanse your face, apply toner if you use one, and then apply a few drops of the serum directly to the skin. Press it in gently, no need to rub. You can follow with a moisturizer if your skin is dry. It works well with other products, especially hydrating and barrier-supporting formulas. Avoid using it with strong acids or retinol on the same night if you're sensitive. Alternate if needed. Expert tip: keep this in the fridge. It helps the glutathione stay stable longer, and the cooling effect can calm inflamed or sensitive skin. If pigmentation is your main concern, pair it with an SPF 50+ in the morning. Always. This is one of those easy, quiet achievers in your skincare lineup. If you're consistent, it shows results. Not overnight, but steadily, and with real changes.